afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So now it's another day in the shop. This has gotten a lot more involved than I anticipated it to be. My initial thought was that I was just gonna buy some tools, I was just gonna get a space, I was just gonna be able to do my hobbies, and now it looks like I have a legit shop running. Well, or at least a pretty good impersonation of having a shop running. Now, where we left off from yesterday is I'm doing the fix kit modification for the 2012 Chevrolet Cruze off of Cruzekits.com. I ran into an issue yesterday because the Dorman aftermarket intake manifold did not fit the Cruzekits, specifically the plug valve that you're supposed to use in replacement of the check valve that's in here. I contacted the owner of Cruzekits.com and he recommended using what they call the drill method, which he said to get a number 10 by 3/4 inch self-tapping, self-drilling sheet metal screw and get a nylon washer with it. And with that, that'll replace the plug that I was otherwise supposed to use. So we'll go ahead and get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and prep the surgical table here for the operation. That's a drill bit. The heck? Oh, good grief. Three-eighths. Alright. Maybe make it a little bit thinner for thinner applications. Put a little edge to it, even though I wasn't anticipating that. Alright, so first we will put the steel just a little down. I think it's just go ahead and put a little bit more hardener in there. I think it really should be like more. Okay, there we go. It's more of a brownish opaque color. All right. I'm not exactly sure. Well, we'll just try it anyway. So I will zoom in. I will use the light and I will show you exactly, oh, wrong hole. All right, so you see how it's all nice and gunky in there? All right, that screw has to go into that port right there. Right there, that port. So hopefully we'll be successful in our ventures. I've examined the field, the battlefield. I know what we must do. Now it is time to put the hardener, the JB weld, onto this nylon washer. I don't know how much we need. I don't know how much we're doing. I'm just praying to God that we'll be successful in this venture. All right, I didn't put too much. I always mix way more than I think I'll need. You can see that's about as much as I put. Now I'm going to put this on the edge here. And that is actually not going to fit. Is it too small? 3/8, right? Oh my God, 3/4. Should be the next one down. 5/16. All right, perfect fit. The only problem is how is this going to stick to the port? Well, I really don't have a choice other than dropping it on the floor. Wonder if I can drill up into it. Put the flashlight right there. Keeps falling out. This thing is not pitched correctly. Hopefully, I got it. Well guys, here goes nothing. I can't believe I actually got it. Let me show you guys. There you go. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but that is supposedly it. And you can see it just barely cleared that top port right there. Flashlight's dying. You can see right there that it started to eat into a little bit, but that's it. It's completely flush. And what's on the JB weld should be on there. So that's gonna have to do it, guys. Otherwise, I'm completely fucking boned.